Hey everybody, and welcome to this Python and OpenCV course. Over the next couple of videos, we're going to be talking about using the OpenCV library to perform all sorts of image and video related processing and manipulations. Now, I won't be delving into what OpenCV really is, but just to be brief, it is a computer vision library that is available in Python, C++, and Java. Now, computer vision is an application of deep learning that primarily focuses on deriving insights from media files, that is, images and video. Now, I'm going to assume that you already have Python installed on your system, and a good way to check this is by going to your terminal and typing python --version. Now, make sure you're running a version of Python of at least 3.7 above. Whatever we do in this course won't really work in some older versions of Python, and especially Python 2. So just make sure that you have the latest version installed. Go ahead to python.org and download the latest version from there. Now, assuming that you've done this, we can proceed to installing the packages that we require in this course. The first one is OpenCV. So go ahead and do a pip install opencv-contrib-python. Now, sometimes you may find people telling you to install just opencv-python. Well, this opencv-python is basically the main package, the main module of OpenCV. opencv-contrib-python includes everything in the main module as well as the contribution modules provided by the community. So this is something I recommend you install as it includes all of OpenCV's functionality. Now, you may also notice that OpenCV tried to install the NumPy package. Now, NumPy is kind of a scientific computing package in Python that's extensively used in matrix and array manipulations, transformations, reshaping, and things like that. Now, we'll be using NumPy in some of the videos in this course, but don't worry if you've never used them before. It's simple and relatively easy to get started with. Now, the next package I'd like you to install is Sierra. So go ahead and do a pip install Sierra. Now, slight disclaimer, this is a package that I built to basically help you to speed up your workflow. Sierra is basically a set of utility functions that will prove super useful to you in your computer vision journey. It has a ton of super useful, helpful functions that will help speed up your workflow. Now, although we're not going to be using this for a good part of this course, in fact, we'll only begin to use this in the last video of this course when we're building a deep computer vision model, I recommend you install it now so that you don't have to worry about the installation process later on. If you're interested in contributing to this package or just simply want to explore the codebase, I'll leave a link to this GitHub page in the description below. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to read images and video in OpenCV. So I'll see you guys in the next video.